so powerful in this room. You can literally say one thing to a child and it'll stick with them until the day they die. Don't ever take that for granted. When I was a teacher and you were my student, you could have a tremendous impact on me. Do you know how I measured that? If I saw you outside of school, would I literally cross the street to come talk to you? Would I actually go out of my way to have a conversation? If I did that, wow, that showed me something about you. I prayed I would become that teacher one day. Nobody has ever changed their practice because they saw like a really compelling pie chart. It is that human connection that matters, that we need to make the positives so loud that the negatives are almost impossible to hear. I'm not talking as an educator, I'm talking as a dad. Thank you so much that you do for your kids and for the community of the school. I know it makes a difference, but most importantly to me is how do we help the kids we serve find that compelling reason as well? That every child that we serve finds that pathway to success that is meaningful to them. That should be the work we focus on every single day. Thank you so much for all you do. Take care. Thanks.